the page came, right? Here you can see inside the console I added the value here, slug reference 1, right? 1, right? So this is our logged thing. Here you can see the slug value I am taking from the params, this params 1, right? Inside the value I am taking 1. So I am directly using here this param dot slug. See, here you can see inside the value I am taking slug. So why it's not coming, that one value? Any idea why it's not showing here, that one value? So inside this, between the value key is there. So I added the value dot slug. Like this. Yeah, this is the asynchronous. So we have to handle the async await. So I added the async before this function. So I take the reference param. So I destructure this slab await param. So I am console logging here. Here you can see my value 1. So it's showing 1. So I am going to change the value 50. Here you can see automatically changing, right? Where it's coming from the param. So I created slog, right? This slog is a reference. Whenever we create anything, string or number, it will come by using this param reference. So I am typing now next.js. Here you can see it's coming, right, that next.js. So how we can handle the nested routes, dynamic routes? So using create one folder, inside the folder again create one folder slab, wrap with this square brackets. Okay, inside the square brackets again create one file page.js. Then you can able to access the after giving your parameter things. Yeah. So this is how we can able to use the dynamic routes. So okay, any doubt in this slab? Dynamic routes, nested routes, and the common route. Any doubts? Yes or no? Okay, try the dynamic route. Yeah, it's come from API sometimes. If you have any one API response data, right? This list of data in there. Okay. So that is list of data means it's array taking index, right? Each data have. Hmm. Whatever you give in this that slag reference, right? So it will come directly. So that is not is not. Yeah, in client side only. So there are two kind of things. In client side, we can able to pass the one data to another data, this page to another page from by using this param. Okay, whenever we need the API handling things, right? So if you have a big scale application, so lot of API configuration is there. Like say example, go to Amazon. Or Netflix. Netflix will do by this next days only. Okay. Or if you click any movie, that time the route things is there, right? Any IDs and the register contacts, everything. This is everything comes from your API in backend, from backend. Okay, so yeah, yeah. Yeah, browser. This is the first step. How we can route the value one page to another page. So in next section or upcoming session, I will show you how to dynamically change our routes from API. Yeah.
It is changing when we are clicking, then it is entered and it is changing
Yeah, we are passing by using this param only. Slug, you know.
Yes, yeah, showing that.
Okay. So based on our create the slug, right? So inside we have to pass the values from this route. So in API we have to push all the data into the slug. So that time here you can see the register. This is the register page, right? So the registration is coming. So in other things also coming. So we know this. This is the registration page. Is appropriate IDs and everything inside the param there. We can able to access everything from this slide.
How can you find this like answer?
before create an async you write here.
How to create a single sheet?
Remove this out. Export default async function and function name method. Okay, inside this, no, param should be inside the curly brackets. Okay, return. Open close parenthesis. Div. Type something. The page or hello. Show your folder. Show your folder. This folder should be rename. Inside this you type so this is the reference. This way too we have to pass the IDs under strings under.
I
Mr.
started
Way.
created like that, but I just created like Slack because I think the name is the folder. You can create otherwise.
So if you create just a Slack name, it is considered as a one page route. So it's not a reference. So now create dot 4. Come in. Yeah, just 2 minutes. First you have to take the value from this before this before this cut down one line const destructure curly braces open close SLH is okay. After this await param. Now log it. Just slug you right. No. Inside this curly braces. Go there, browser, check out your browser. It's coming right. So now console log it your before the render. Return. Before the return. So don't work in under. So now open your developer tool, check out your response. What's coming? 4 right? So this is a reference, it's not a folder. So by using this reference, if you write after this your name, try your name. It's coming right. It will handle string and numbers, anything. So any doubts in this routing systems in next year? Everything clear, right? Anyone have doubt? All is clear? No, it's any doubts? Everything clear, right? Okay. So okay, let's wind up this session today.